In a beautiful garden, something magical was happening. A chrysalis was opening. Meet Maya, a brand new monarch butterfly with bright rainbow wings.
Wow! Everything looks so amazing! I have so many questions. Whoa!
Maya took her very first flight, ready to explore and learn.
This flower is so beautiful! I wonder why flowers have so many colors. Excuse me, Mr. Bee. Can you tell me why flowers are so colorful? Great question! Flowers are colorful so insects like us can find them easily. We visit them for sweet nectar, and we spread their pollen to help new flowers grow.
This important job is called pollination. It helps plants make seeds and grow.
Thank you, Mr. Bee. That's so cool. I'm gonna keep exploring.